I don't think they're doing a good job.
So will you call for their resignation?
I think that's what I'm saying. I'm saying we must replace them with people who are better at managing the fund. Dahil sa nakaraan naman, hindi naman naging problema yan kasi very professional ang patakbo ng SSS. Ngayon, since pinulitika na naman and everything is a political appointment in this administration, then that's why we've seen this not only in the SSS, we've seen this in other departments where the people who are running very large organizations within the government have been clearly shown to be incompetent. Hindi nila kaya ang trabaho nila. Ang daming nadadamay na tao, kaya kailangan seryosohin natin, maghanap tayo ng mga mahuhusay. Hindi na bali yung alkalyado o hindi sa politika. Yan ang nagiging problema hindi pwedeng maglagay ng tao na hindi natin kaalyado yan. At saka yung mga parang reward para sa kanilang parang loyalty reward ang ginagawa sa mga posisyon sa government. Hindi linalagyan ng tao na sa palagay natin ang pinakamagaling na magpatakbo ng mga organisasyon na yan.